we are looking at how to pronounce those two words. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary in English, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. So the top word is said as statute. Statute. Yes, a ch sound, not a t sound, and that's for British English and American English. Statute. Stress on the first syllable. Now the second word is said in British English as statutory. 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 Now in American English, that same word, it's said as statutory. Statutory in American English, or statutory in British English, while the top word again is statute. And now you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.